Hello and welcome to the Clothesline Store. If you're looking for an ironstone coloured clothesline, we have a solution for you. The Australian Maid air dry clothesline range is one of the most popular clotheslines on the market today. It comes in a full range of colours which include woodland grey, paperbark, monument and surf mist, just to name a few. The clothesline range suits 2 to 5 people. It can hold up to a king size sheet. It has 6 to 14 lines. The line lengths or hanging area range from 9 metres to a massive 41 metres. The width, which is the left to right dimension, ranges from 1.5 metres to 3 metres, however it can be customised. The depth, which is a wall to you measurement, comes in a range of sizes, which is 600mm, 750mm, 900mm, 1.2 metres and a massive 1.5 metres. The clothesline range does have a ground mount kit option available. It also comes with fasteners or wall anchors to suit a masonry wall, and assembly is required. The clothesline is made in Australia and comes with a factory-backed 11 years warranty on the frame and a 1-year warranty on the cord. The Air Dry series has all metal components. The corners are steel, the struts are steel, and the wall brackets are steel. There is no plastic on this clothesline. The only poly material is actually the cord on the clothesline. The made-to-order range is ideal if you have a specific depth or width required. Because of the broad range of sizes and colours, they are actually made to order. So what this means is a clothesline can be made to a width which will suit your requirements. For example, if you have a specific space between the windows on the side of your home where a 2.9 wide metre clothesline will suit, you can have the clothesline made to suit this width for no extra charge. Now there is a ready-made range of the air dry clotheslines available, however these are in a limited number of colours and sizes. The air dry made to order clothesline comes with a low line attachment option. This is excellent if you want some extra hanging space. It gives you 3 more lines which sit just below the surface of the primary line. As you can see here on the diagram, there's approximately 440mm between the low line and the top line. The low line also folds down when you fold the main line down. It does not fold down independently. The ground mount kit for the air dry comes in 2 scenarios or 2 options. On the left you can see a traditional ground mounted installation. This means you dig a hole, put the post in and concrete it in. Alternatively, if you have concrete and you want to install the clothesline on the concrete, you have the base plate option available. So this means you buy the base plates, you bolt them to the concrete and insert the legs into the base plates. There is another option which is called core drilling, and that's something you'll be able to discuss with the installation team if you choose to go that way. At the Clothesline Store you will find a full range of clotheslines from all the industry leading brands, which include a full range of sizes and styles. At the Clothesline Store we offer a installation and removal service. So if you're looking to have your new clothesline installed or want your old one removed and the new one installed, we can help. You can find more on this service by visiting our installation page at theclotheslinestore.com.au. So thank you for visiting the Clothesline Store. I hope we have a solution for you. If you require any further information on any of the products or services, you can contact us by calling the numbers below or above, visit our website theclotheslinestore.com.au or download our free official buyer's guide. My name's Jason, thanks for watching and bye for now.